Hey, what's going on? I'm Ivan and welcome back to my channel where I give you life tips and tricks on how to get ahead in life. And on this video, we're going to cover the pros and cons to strength training. By the end of this video, I'm confident that you're going to know how strength training can benefit your lifestyle and as well how to mitigate or deal with the potential side effects that strength training can give you. So if this sounds interesting to you, don't go anywhere. I'll see you in a bit. Pro number one, it helps you build your physique. It helps you build some strength, which ultimately it helps you build your self-esteem and confidence. This can help lead to better performance in areas such as work, school, or in life just in general. Pro number two, so since you're building your strength and you're building your physique, you're building muscles. So this is gonna allow you to eat more calories. Muscles require more calories to maintain, thus allowing you to eat more just to maintain that new muscle mass that you've gained. Pro number three, it can strengthen your bones, and depending on how you work out, it can minimize the risk of cardiovascular problems. Pro number four, believe it or not, it gives you more energy. This of course goes hand in hand with proper rest, a topic that I'm going to cover in the near future. Okay, now for the cons. Con number one is that it costs money. Whether you want to buy your own weight set or you want to go to the gym, it's going to cost money. I view exercise as an investment for my health, my body, and my mind. Of course, if you don't have that much money, then you're gonna have to take the cheaper approach where you could buy a couple equipments here and there, still being able to exercise, or just going to the park and doing some body weight workouts. But if you view exercise as an investment from the topics that we discussed earlier, and if you smash that like button, then you will automatically prioritize strength training or exercise in your life. Con number two, it can cause injury due to not resting properly and for not educating yourself on proper form. But I have to say, this is all preventable. You could do the research, you can ask questions, you could watch all my videos, and you will learn how to properly rest and how to properly execute some of these exercises. Con number three is very slow progress. Building muscle takes a while for you to see major differences. Unless you are a beginner, you're gonna have a hard time building muscle. Building strength, on the other hand, is still slow, but is a little bit more visual when you're going up 2.5 or 5 pounds of your max. Increasing your max rep, maybe 2 pounds or 5 pounds, is a lot more fulfilling than seeing your body not change for a week or almost a month at a time. A few things that could help is sticking to your program for 8 weeks, taking a picture of yourself every 4 weeks, smashing the like button, and finally tracking your workouts. There's another video that I'll be making in the near future. If you would like to learn more, check my homepage where you can see similar videos like this one. And if you happen to like what you see, subscribe as I upload a new video up every week. And this way you won't miss any new tips and tricks in the near future. Like always, I hope you learned something new today. And if you did, give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. Also, leave me a comment below and let me know what else you would like to see, or if you want me to cover something in more detail. Thank you all for watching. I truly appreciate you guys taking the time to invest in yourself. Thank you for the love and support. I'll see you all next week. Guns, check. Chest, check. All right. Okay. What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Ivan. My phone fell. But if you view exercise as an investment from the topics that we talk, I know what you're thinking. I'm a little soft. I got it. Okay. I'm like probably 20% body fat right now.